Welcome to our Life Master 369 YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox Sisil 550 watt mixer grinder. Before unboxing, let's check the product features. Finest quality stainless steel jar set, smart sensor technology, harmonic grinding technology, 550 watt powerful copper motor, 1.2 liter stainless steel liquidizer jar, 1 liter stainless steel dry jar, 500 milliliter chutney jar, swirl control, replaceable blades, double oil steel, inbuilt flow breaker, optimal jar and blade fit, 3-speed rotary control with inker, overload protection for motor and 550 watt. Let's unbox. This is the user manual. Mixer grinder. Let's see the other parts. This is the chutney jar. It has 2 blades. This is the 1 liter dry jar. It also has 2 blades. This is 1.2 liter liquidizer jar. It has 4 blades on the top and rear 2 blades. All 3 jars have separate lids. All 3 lids have this rubber lid. Therefore, if you put this to the jar, it's sealed very well, tight and safe. As you can see, it fitted to the jar very nicely and tight. You can easily fit and you can easily remove. This is the spatula. It helps you to remove the ingredients what you mixed or grind. This is the mixer grinder with 550 watt. It has 2 switching positions, 1, 2, 3. Even you can rotate this to inch position and grate vegetables. At the bottom, you can see the switch breaker for overload conditions. Let's operate this and see. Today I am going to grind coriander. I use this chutney jar to grind coriander. you can use this switch to wash. Let's see whether this has grinded well. Wow, it has become coriander powder. It's well grind. This chutney jar can be used to dry and wet items, and this 1 liter wet jar is for wet items, and this liquidizer jar is for wet items. This is one of the very economic and affordable low cost brand like this one. In future you can watch world class brands with our channel. Please subscribe Life Master 369 today.